Hi guys, Mr. New Mobile here. Apple AirPods Pro 2 release date. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Twitter by clicking the links in the description. The AirPods Pro has only been on the market for a year, but there's already chatter about the AirPods Pro 2 being in development. It shouldn't come as a surprise, especially since Apple's first ever noise-canceling earbuds have remained a top seller and some of the best wireless earbuds you can buy. That is enough to warrant a sequel. The AirPods Pro 2 may be joining the AirPods family with two other heavily rumored models, the AirPods 3 and AirPods X. It is also possible that either of these two products could end up becoming the AirPods Pro 2. Time will tell. The latest reports and leaks tell us the AirPods Pro 2 are coming and to expect many of the same hallmarks, e.g. adaptive ec, customized fit, noise cancellation, along with more innovative features. Whether or not we'll have to wait long to pair these buds with the upcoming iPhone 12 remains unknown. Here is what we know so far about the Apple AirPods Pro 2, including the AirPods Pro 2 potential and more. Some of the slated releases in Apple's 2020 product lineup have experienced delays due to the COVID-19 pandemic. This pointing towards a first half 2021 launch for the AirPods 3, it seems safe to say the AirPods Pro follow-up won't be on store shelves anytime soon. The next AirPods Pro version would see the light of day in the second half of next year. Go-to analyst for all things Apple, Ming-Chi Kuo, has claimed the AirPods Pro 2 will go into production from Q4 2021 to Q1 2022. The original AirPods Pro is currently sold at $249, which, at the time of launch, made these wireless earbuds the most expensive in the category. Considering how well they continue to sell, along with analysts predicting Apple will sell 90 million AirPods in 2020, the company won't feel inclined to lower the AirPods Pro 2 price. Apple may feel compelled to raise it by $25 or $50 if major upgrades are implemented, though it seems doubtful right now. Apple will move forward with a new competitive pricing strategy that includes price drops on current AirPods models later. The iPhone 12 wasn't going to come with a free pair of earpods. This decision would drive AirPod sales and help Apple clear out its current stock, which has reportedly been impacted by slow sales during the coronavirus outbreak. It's likely the AirPods Pro 2 sell for $249. Will the AirPods Pro see a price cut? It's that Apple is committed to the AirPods' long stem silhouette. We don't particularly love it, but we do commend the designers behind the AirPods Pro for enhancing the overall aesthetics and comfort of the buds. The black grille for ventilation, ergonomic fit via bundled ear tips, and shortened stems with user-friendly pinch controls were surprisingly great additions. We didn't see any major design changes from the AirPods to the AirPods 2, and our gut tells us the same will happen with the AirPods Pro series. It's almost a given that the AirPods Pro 2 will have the same system and package, SIP, design of the original version, which is also rumored for the AirPods 3. This allows Apple's ANC circuitry and powerful H1 chip to fit in a more compact design. AirPods 3 would take on a new form factor and resemble the AirPods Pro design and make small, unnoticeable changes to it, such as better ear tips and sweatproof protection. In addition, the AirPods Pro 2 will probably be manufactured from recyclable parts like the first-gen version. Regarding features, most of what has been leaked or reported involves the AirPods 3 and AirPods X. Very little has been divulged about the AirPods Pro 2, but the odds are high that these buds share many of the same features as their speculated counterparts. This includes an advanced transparency mode to warn users of incoming hazards, bone conduction technology, third-party app support, and compatibility with the upcoming Apple AirTags to make locating misplaced AirPods simpler. All or most of these could end up being featured on the AirPods Pro 2. You can expect many iOS 14 goodies to come part of the package as well, like automatic switching, Dolby Atmos support, and spatial audio that will create a theater-like experience for listeners. Another feature to keep on your radar is headphones accommodation for frequency adjustments and sound amplification, along with hearing health, which provides updates to users on. Furthermore, you will probably see a slight boost in sound quality, noise cancellation, and the adaptive ec. Add the ear tip fit test to the list as well, one of the newer features introduced on the AirPods Pro, that to determine the best fit for optimized sound. Will there be a new processor on the AirPods Pro 2? All signs point to no, meaning the H1 chip will likely power these tiny noise cancellers. At least you're still getting improved audio latency, battery management, 50% more talk time, and connectivity, along with hands-free Hey Siri support and audio share to hear music on two sets of AirPods or Beats headphones from one audio source. This also indicates that biometric sensors may be used on the AirPods Pro 2. Combined with other components, this would open the door for new health-based features. A step counter, motion detection, and heart rate monitoring. Then there is this patent discovered by Patently Apple, which shows Apple working on a new navigation system that builds on the AirPods Pro's 4 sensor controls. It suggests the use of on-device capacitive sensors that, when tapped, enable a mode to perform in-air gestures optimized in the settings. With zero information out there on the AirPods Pro 2's battery life, we can only go based on the rumors and what the original model has granted users, which has been somewhat paltry. Battery life on the AirPods Pro, 4.5 hours, is rated less than the AirPods 2, 5 hours. There is no reason to believe it will change. In fact, playtimes could even be lower, depending on the specs. You can also expect the wireless charging case to remain unchanged with 24 hours of total playtime. We do know iOS 14 will introduce new settings to improve battery life management on current and future AirPods models. On top of pop-up reminders to charge the AirPods when required, there will be optimized battery charging, a feature designed to learn your charging routine and only charges to 100% when required to reduce battery aging. The iPhone 12 family and AirPods 3 will adopt cheaper and less complex battery technology to save the company on battery unit costs. We're still far away from the AirPods Pro 2 coming out, but in the meantime, it doesn't hurt to put together a wish list of advancements. Think they might be out of the realm of possibility, because Apple never really listens to the public. Hey, you never know. Well, that's it guys for the AirPod Pro 2 update. Well, having been said, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. 1 Peace.